Have you ever wondered if the universe is more than just a vast expanse of galaxies and stars? What if it's a cosmic dance, an electromagnetic wave oscillating eternally, regenerating and repropagating itself? This is not just abstract philosophy, but a theory supported by scientific principles. The following presentation will give scientific support for a theory that postulates and the idea that all of existence is contained within a self-propagating, self-generating, and eternally oscillating electromagnetic wave, one that basically regenerates and repropagates the same way each time. In a fashion somewhat similar to the movie Groundhog Day, except that changes can be made in the free will moment within the spheres of influence of the individual minds. These individual minds are the result of the entirety of all fractals from the one original mind. These individual minds can slightly alter small details of the entire universal wave regeneration. Although an individual mind's experience may not be satisfied by achieving the desired state of enlightenment in one lifetime, every move in the right direction carries over to each successive lifetime. To elaborate further on the concept of the universe as a self-propagating, self-regenerating electromagnetic wave, influenced by individual consciousness and able to regenerate in a cyclic manner, I'll integrate information of known scientific laws and principles. To begin with, let's delve into the realms of electromagnetic theory and quantum mechanics. Maxwell's equations tell us that electromagnetic waves propagate through space, interacting with their surroundings. Quantum mechanics takes it a step further, introducing the idea of pervasive fields. Photons, the particles of light, are simply excitations of these fields. This idea of everything being fundamentally composed of fields lends credence to the theory that our universe might behave like a colossal, oscillating electromagnetic wave. Next, we move on to quantum field theory, or QFT. QFT suggests that all particles are expressions of underlying fields, which are dynamic and continuous throughout space and time. These fields aren't static, they fluctuate and regenerate, much like waves on a pond. This ties neatly into the concept of a self-regenerating universe, where field fluctuations mirror the oscillating behavior of the universe as described in our theory. Now, let's explore the cyclic universe models. In these cosmological models, particularly the oscillating universe theory, the universe undergoes infinite cycles of big bangs and big crunches, creating a wave-like oscillation in the very fabric of space-time. Each cycle can be seen as a wave crest and trough, regenerating similar conditions anew in each cycle, potentially influenced by variations or quantum fluctuations from the previous universe. But where does consciousness fit into this grand scheme? Here we can connect to the observer effect in quantum mechanics, where the act of observing or measuring a quantum event can change its outcome. This points towards a participatory universe where consciousness interacts with the wave-like quantum fields, potentially influencing the regeneration process of each universal cycle. To tie this all together, we can look to the Hermetic texts, which speak of principles like mentalism and correspondence. These principles suggest that all is mind, and that there's a direct correspondence between the various planes of existence, mental, physical, spiritual. These ideas metaphorically support a universe where thought and consciousness can influence physical reality, thus affecting the wave-like cycles of existence. In essence, the theory presents a view of the universe as a self-propagating, self-regenerating electromagnetic wave. It suggests that individual consciousness resulting from fractals of the original mind can subtly alter the details of the universal wave regeneration. It also suggests that every move towards enlightenment carries over to each successive lifetime, painting a picture of existence as an eternally oscillating, ever-changing dance of cosmic energy. This is a thought-provoking perspective, isn't it? It's a fusion of science, philosophy, and spirituality that invites us to see the universe and our role in it in a whole new light. By blending scientific concepts with metaphysical ideas, we can conceptualize a universe that behaves like an electromagnetic wave, constantly oscillating, self-regenerating, and subtly influenced by the consciousness of its observers. This theoretical universe merges physics with deeper philosophical inquiries into the nature of reality and our place within it, offering a holistic view that bridges science and spirituality.